a lot better. Okay, so I will grab the engine. We'll get it stuck in there. A lot heavier when it's assembled. Imagine that. Alright. Okay, so it's sitting there. We just have to get the pins knocked all the way in. Which is a lot easier said than done by the looks of it. There. Alright, so this is not jiving. Engine hits the pin. This hole is supposed to be back here. But as you can see, here is the engine, here's the pin. This pin needs to be all the way in the swing arm because the engine is the same width as the swing arm. So let's pull the engine back out, get those pins all the way in, and then put it back because it's in the way and we can't get it with it in the way. Alright, so we got the engine in. It was more of a fight than I thought it was going to be. Swing arm did not want to play nice. So let's finish getting the swing arm bolt all the way back to its home. Alright, so first engine mount done. But for now, let's get all the engine mounts on this engine so we can call that one done. That's just a breather. We need to figure out that one as well. This is just overflow. We can put it there. Yeah, these little ones go at the bottom. These bigger ones, I would say go up here. Yes. So the bigger ones up top. Smaller one at the bottom. That one's definitely going to go there. And the little ones to go there. That doesn't go. Right and left. They even labeled it. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. So Okay. Well, that wasn't in there very well. Yes, it is. Now I'm just snugging these up. I'm not really getting them super tight yet. Just because it's a lot easier to get everything buttoned up if it's loose, when you have that little bit of wiggle room for everything. Are these labeled as well? No. This one on that side. This one goes on this side. The only reason I can tell is by the wear marks on the plates. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so you see how that's got that weird wear plate or wear spot on this plate? That's because that contour is the same contour as the engine mount down here. So this has to face the engine, not this way. So therefore, based on the way this is, it will only line up with the bolts this way on this side, which means that it's wrong because this side needs to touch the engine. So this one goes over there, that one goes over here. So, easy enough. Then we need these two big ones. This one goes through there. This one goes underneath. This one, not this one. This one's about a ½ inch shorter than this one is. Therefore, this one cannot go here because it's too short. Oh, gosh. Did that poke out? Can you guys tell? Yes, it did. And it's in a very precarious place. Hmm. Dang it. Dang it again. Where do you live? Ha! I know where you live. But there's one there already. This is the clutch cable, by the way. Plus side. Engine's in. Yeah, engine's in. I don't like how close that is. I mean, it doesn't hit anything. It doesn't hit anything at all. Throttle cables. This is either compression release. I'm pretty sure this is compression release, but where does it live? I don't know. Let's take a gander at the carb real quick. So we have our two throttles. Two throttles here. You should not be unplugged from there. We have our choke right there. Hot start right there. Fuel timing plug-in here. Throttle screw. I don't see anything. We're going to have to figure out where this goes. Because I don't know off the top of my head. But where does it go? We'll have to look that up. Because I don't know where it goes. But we got what I wanted to achieve done tonight. We got the engine mounted. It's still loosely mounted, but it's mounted. So, in the morning, we can rebuild that carburetor, get it put on, get the radiators on, and then make sure we're plumbed up everywhere. Make sure all the plumbing's right and where it belongs. Make sure we have all of our electrical right. Then we'll start it up. We can take it off of this stand and start it up. should be a ground wire somewhere. Just haven't come across it yet. Looks like they routed the ground to the frame, which is just as good, I guess. I mean, it originally grounded to the engine, but it's not that big a deal. So, tomorrow, oil lines, cooling lines, carburetor, gas, fire, play. Yeah. Alright. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching another episode of DJ's Garage. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. Can't wait to play with it. Hopefully we can play with it a little bit tomorrow, depending on how late it is when I get to work on it. I've got a few other things to do. Bentley turned a whole 8 years old, so we're going to have his birthday party tomorrow, and then probably going to go play around, and probably end up being tomorrow night when I start working on the WR250F again. But it's going to be awesome because we'll get everything else buttoned up. You can't see me. We'll get everything buttoned up, get everything that's supposed to be, and hopefully start her up. Alright, thanks again, guys. Later.